Are you a YouTuber or content creator struggling to come up with fresh and engaging content ideas? Well, have no fear, because AI tools are here to help. We've rounded up the best free AI tool for YouTubers and content creators to help you create compelling and shareable content that will keep your audience engaged. This AI tools is absolute game changer, helping you brainstorm video topics, write video scripts, generate engaging titles and SEO-friendly descriptions, create eye-catching thumbnails, find the perfect keywords for your content, and even generate audio for your script. With the help of these powerful tools, you'll be able to create content that stands out from the crowd and attracts new subscribers like never before. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, take your content to the next level by checking out these free AI tools today. Opportunity is knocking. Let's answer the call and embark on this journey together. 1. Go to Google and search for vidiq. 2. Click on the first search result to go to the vidiq website. 3. Navigate to the Features tab on the website. 4. Hover your cursor over the Features tab and click on AI Content Generator. 5. Enter the topic you want to create a YouTube video about. 6. Get a professionally written title, description, and keyword for your video. 7. Receive a complete script and accompanying audio for your video. 8. Use your new content to create an engaging and successful YouTube video. With vidiq AI Content Generator, you'll have all the tools you need to make amazing YouTube content without struggling to come up with ideas or spending hours writing and editing scripts. Give it a try today and see how easy it can be to create high-quality videos that engage and delight your audience. Stay up to date with the latest AI tools by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the notification bell.